Video we have to write a program that take user inputs and handle the arithmetic exception. Mm, we have to take input from the user and we have to make user-friendly messages that divide by zero occurs. So we have already created the program. We will provide you section only. And this first of all, we're taking two inputs from the user. Then we will make another so that use input example. We will copy from the first of all we will copy the second one. First of all we take two inputs. Then we will take inside the try page log we will check. First of all we taking two inputs, then inside the log we will if a divided by v doesn't if a divided by v is normal means the v doesn't equal to zero, then it will cancel either or if there is any exception then it will shows the zero से by not कर and also why e dot get message we to divide by zero exception is there, so we will run it. We will first of all we will enter number one, that is 5, and number second is 0, so there is a okay that 0 से divide मत कर and divide by 0 exception. Thank you.